emergency for Raleigh. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for, oh shit, it's that tornado that Mr. Beast summoned for one of his challenges. You know what? Just take cover now.